Mabibilis ba yan, Brightly?
As here because it's cut out.
I don't know.
Make greens from roasted cocoa beans, brown and mixed with the corn starch. Most many places they have country and also many places now. But so they
Ano ka ba sis? Coffee with milk.
It's very delicious. You can try. I think so. I like it.
This is okay. I like strong coffee.
Me too. I like strong coffee.
Somehow similar to coffee.
Coffee, yeah. The condensed milk as well.
Yeah,
coffee,
except that
right?
this is very strong.
This one.
Stronger than
Yeah,
coffee.
coffee, yeah.
Sarap. It's tasty. But it's different. It's one of a kind for me. Oh, may chocolate. Like chocolate. Yes.
Màu xanh là sữa, còn màu đỏ là sô cô la đen.
Yeah, I have the company and
But you have to eat it with water.
How many trees
Because
do they
it's
plant?
Hindi na bahalang tumudiro natin yun. Para mo na yung julian na. Bakit nag-grind daw?
sau khi mình nghiền rồi mình đưa vào đây.
Dạ đúng rồi, đưa qua bên này để kiềm hóa.
Mas after daw, no, ini-squeeze para matanggal yung oil. Hala ako
Oh yes.
ang sister ko. Ano niya kaya nalaman na kailangan maghubad ng tsinelas? Tama kaya yung basa niya?
The cooperatives also who can sell either to them or they can sell directly to the guy. Photo, do you want me to take a picture of the two of you?
Go! Oh!
Yeah, I have a few there as well. We'll see, but
Oh, wow!
you want to try it?
Yeah, I want to.
You can
Big,
another
seed
garden.
inside,
They
yeah. Okay.
take this pulp.
Yeah.
They take this pulp to make cocoa smoothie. So cocoa
Like
smoothie.
similar to sour salt.
Sour salt.
Yeah.
That's it.
So, lasang atis pala kapag hindi pa siya. It's not yet chocolate. Or sabi niya, guyabano daw.
Guyabano.
Butterflies everywhere. Uy! Aray ko. Butter pa eh. Sobra siya.
Pero mabango kasi.
We have a chance to visit.
Different from the pero chocolate. Laban mo sis kahit malamok.
They're using ants to protect from insects. They kill insects.
Oh, that's why.
I came in hand of books over there.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
That place they fermented.
Okay. Yeah, so this is the
Cái này lạnh xong rồi là mình bỏ nó cái tủ lạnh rồi là thành.
Now was applying sugar
Còn
allowed
cacao
certificate
hả?
the
Còn
factory.
bơ là ta cho rồi hả?
One of
Here, a little bit, and then mix
so they had to cut.
butter.
Pure.
So they put here a little bit milk
Yeah.
and mix together. They call the French chocolate.
Okay.
French chocolate. And some people can eat, and some people eat
Yeah.
with some ice.
Yeah.
And
Can I?
yes. This is opposite.
That's okay.
More.
Thank you. Nice. Nice, right? Yeah. Do you have another? Yeah. Well,
Like
my business.
yeah.
Yes, I sell this.
Oh, so old.
It's a crunchy. It's a healthy chocolate.
Ah,
It's a high protein chocolate.
nice.
Dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Let's check how it works. Dipping. It's good.
Can you try sis?
Very thick, very thick.
Can you describe the taste?
It's 7. So, ano siya? Steamed chicken with gulay and garlic rice. Some soup.
But now there are more than 81 wild elephants. Wild elephants. And 40 elephants.
Ano yung red plug sis?
A lot of food. Ở đây là
Which is not helping businesses like mine, which in the end we are struggling because Alright, so here I am at a cocoa farm. This is actually one of the farms that we source the cocoa that goes into Koa. So no better place to taste Koa than from the source. So as you can see, there's a lot of cocoa trees here everywhere. And so this is one of the places we chose. Tastes perfect. You wanna get?
Ăn ngon chấm có rau.
Let's go see cashew. Oh yeah, they deal with salt, with this like condiment. Everything they put with this condiment.
Đây là ở nước ngoài hết à?
Dosen no hottegot.
Cắt
Mangoes.
kiểu như theo mình hãy cắt theo Việt Nam.
Nguyên nhưng ở nước ngoài.
So good.
The visitor center.
Cashew tree.
Nut.
Yeah.
And it's very smell wood.
Thank you. So which one to eat? This one?
No, you eat it one.
Oh,
It's okay.
the fruit.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Mm.
Tastes like.
Delicious.
Delicious. Vlog update.
Sobrang init.
Init.
Sobrang init po sa Vietnam.
Pagkatapos magpanggap na farm girl.
Ayan, pagod. Nangitim.
Ang itim ko din.
Nangitim tayo. Tapos kunyari, tayo, sanay tayo sa ganyan. Pero,
Lahat
pagod na
okay
pagod
lang.
na kami.
Pare-pareho lang namin nakikita. Pero, go.
Yung mga fruits, pinatikim. Okay lang. Tayo na
Sarap! Ganun dapat.
pagkatikim ko nung kasoy, tinapon ko sa likod doon sa sakyan.
Ayan, sis. Manipulahin mo, sis. Kaya ang mga ginawa niya sa'yo. Ay, charot.
Sis, bakit nga may ganito to? Dugo?
Ewan.
Thì đưa cho anh chồng luôn. Đây có ngon. I did just actually
Vegetarian salad.
So, gumising tayo ng 4 a.m.
Ate, faster, bilis mo magsalita.
Then,
Uy, hindi tayo gumising ng 4 a.m.
okay mo. Then, natulog ulit.
Ay, ikaw lang yun.
Oh, ako pala yan.
Oo. So, gumising tayo, siguro nag-alarm tayo ng mga 6 kasi nga, sabi ni Mr. Chin, yun yung sumundo sa amin sa airport, translator, ano pa?
Service.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. He offers good services.
Oo. Hi, shoutout kay Mr. Chin. Tapos si Mr. Chin, mabait siya.
Mabait siya. Tapos, nagre-research siya talaga.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, nung may tanong kami, nag-google siya, tapos binasa niya.
Binasa niya lahat. Pero yun nga, hindi namin masyado maintindihan yung
Accent. The accent was kind of like, different talaga. So, medyo...
Oo. Pero nakita ko si Brighty talagang, Si Brighty
I
talagang
was trying to
mag-isang,
understand it.
okay.
Tapos sabi niya,
Pero kinokorek ni Brightly.
hindi ko kinokorek.
Sabi niya kasi, gawa na siya, sabi niya, Aztec. Gawa na siya.
Sabi, oh, veteran. Then, no, I'm just acknowledging the conversation.
Kinokorek
Tapos
niya.
parang syempre, inaano ko, nagbabuffer pa ako sa loob ng utak ko and I have to say it to myself para mag-gets ko. Eh, ikaw nga, sabi niya, sabi ni Mr. Chin, so that the cacao fruit is fresh. Tapos sabi niya, oh, French. Tapos,
They call this French chocolate. Sabi nila. Sabi ko, oh, French chocolate.
tapos sabi ko, fresh.
Hindi ko narinig.
Tapos sabi niya, French. Tapos sabi ko, sa bahay ko na i-compare.
Hindi ko naman narinig yung French.
Fresh yun! Bakit na magiging French chocolate? Nagawa nga sa Vietnam. Okay, anyway. Ayun. Tapos medyo
Medyo mahirap kasi yung kumuha siya ng translator. Kasi hindi siya maintindihan yung
So,
translator.
the translator is good. He can speak very good Vietnamese.
Oo, kasi he's Vietnamese.
And English naman. Kaya niyang mag-relay in
Oo.
English. But yung part na pag may sinasabi sa kanya, tapos hindi siya maintindihan ng translator. Bakit na-translate pa pupunta dun sa kausap? Tapos parang to the point na sabi niya, is that what he said? Parang nag-gano'n na parang, tapos nagtanong, can I have this and this and this? Tapos bigla siyang sumagot. Tapos sabi, is that what he said? Can you ask the question first?
Kasi sinasagot niya na on his
Sinasagot
own.
niya na kasi agad. Pero in fairness to him, he's very knowledgeable of the
Yes.
place. Sabi niya,
Tapos he looks like he loves his job.
yes. And I think he owns the company, you know. And sabi niya, that
Oo.
Wong Mat Wat is the queen of
Of Vietnam. Like, of coffee.
coffee production, something like
Here
that.
in Vietnam.
In the world.
Oh, in the world.
Then sabi namin, sino yung king? Tapos parang ano na si Edu, kasi parang sabi, alam ko na yun, na parang siguro hindi niya lang naisip yung superlative na...
tinanong mo sa akin, tinanong ko lang
Hindi,
naman.
na-joke lang ako noon, pero, tapos hindi ko alam na mag-follow-up question si Sig. Kasi parang, tinanong niya, yesterday you said that one matot is a queen. Who's the king? Is
there a king?
Tapos sabi ni Edu, I don't think there is. What they mean is...
Hindi, because Mr. Chin said, king and queen is the same.
Oh, di ba parang yun yung superlative, niya. So, but anyway, it was funny. He's funny.
Tapos lahat ng fruits, pinapatikim niya. Tapos ang funny ngayon, kasi ang kinain natin ng breakfast ay, di ba, pork, noodles.
Bumbor, something like that.
Tapos, nung lunch, ano kinain natin? Lunch?
Chicken and rice.
Oh, chicken and rice. Tapos ngayong dinner is nag-roasted pork
oh my God,
with
herb. Roasted pork with herbs.
Tapos, Edu had chicken.
Salad.
Sarap.
Salad.
Tapos ang sabi ni Mr. Chin, bukas daw mag-fish tayo kasi manimit yung kinain natin. Sabi niya, sa breakfast bukas, fish kayo kasi you had meat all day. Thank you naman po, Mr. Chin.
Concerned siya,
sa atin.
Tapos pinagbabanana niya tayo pagkatapos kumain. Ayoko talaga. Pinagprutas niya talaga tayo.
Oo, tapos lagi pinapakain yung cashew fruit, bigyan niya ng bangga, lahat talagang very
But it's like freshly na bagong pitas. Yung cashew nga parang pinapanood niya kung kakainin mo. So hindi siya tinapon ko na. Tapos kinabahan ako noon. Kasi tinapon ko yun sa likod nung left side ng sasakyan. Tapos parang umiikot siya. May hinahanap siya. Hindi ko alam kung hinahanap niya. Sabi ko, hinahanap niya ba yung ito? So parang sabi ko, shit, makikita niya yung tinapon ko. Baka ma-hurt siya. So parang, but anyway talagang 5 stars ang review.
Yes.
Parang siyang tatay. Kasi parang tatanggalin niya ng dumi yung buhok. Tapos may lamok.
May lamok sabi. Sorry. Pinalo si Brightly. Kasi may lamok.
Sabi niya, see? Tawa ako din sa lamok. Hindi ka natawa.
Yeah, I'm making it.
Tawa talaga. Ikaw ko yung tawa doon.
Tawa nga ako.
Kasi kala ko kung ano. Noong una kasi, si Mr. Chin kasi hindi yan makapag-multitask. Kapag gumagano yung lamok, tumitigil siya magsalita.
Huliin niya. Para sabi hindi siya marunong multitask, sis.
Kasi today ko po siya ng driver.
Para makakapag-chismisan siya.
Oo, para makakapagsalita siya habang. Kasi na-observe namin kagabi siya yung sumundo sa amin. Tapos tumigil sa toll gate. May tinanong si Edu. Tapos, tumigil siya, nakipag-checkan muna siya kay Edu bago siya nagbayad sa toll gate.
Nag-aabang yung toll gate, parang nakaganon siya.
Si tall girl nakaganon.
Tapos siya, ang prioritize niya, sumagot dun sa
So, paano siya nagbayad? Oo, pagkabayad niya, tapos kinuha niya yung sukli, tapos sumagot muna ulit siya sa conversation bago pa siya umandar. So, ay, hindi yata nag-multitask si Mr. Chin.
Pero kasi para sa atin sa Pinas, di ba, parang unahin mo.
Oo.
Go.
Or nagsasalita ka na habang nag-drive, like, wait lang, or mga ganon. Pero parang,
I think kaya siya may kinuhang driver for us.
Oo, kasi mag-google pa siya pag may tinanong tayo. Alam mo, effort talaga yung pag-google niya. Kasi binasa niya sa mga 15 minutes. Binasa Wikipedia.
15 minutes, hirap na hirap siya magbasa ng English, pero binasa niya for Brightly. Masagot lang yung tanong ni Brightly.
Hindi ko nakakatagal yung
tanong mo yun, sis. Yung gano'ng katagal tumubo ang mga
Oo.
Tignan mo, di mo naintindihan.
Hindi, pero ang sinagot niya is history of chocolates. So today we've learned, today we've learned a lot about chocolates from the cacao fruit itself. We ate the cacao fruit na parang ang layo ng lasa niya sa chocolate, and when it gets fermented, it becomes chocolate. So hindi namin nakita today yung fermentation process itself, pero tomorrow pupunta daw kami sa farm where there is fermentation process, because the fermentation process is a very important part because it affects the quality of the chocolate. So ang nakita lang namin is the roasting, ano pa ba yun?
And a lot more.
Roasting ng chocolate and yung grinding, yung packing. Ang bango talaga ng kamay chocolate.
So this trip is brought to you by
Koa and Co.
Yeah.
So you can follow them at Eat Koa and Instagram, TikTok, and eatkoa.com. So this is the healthiest chocolate snack.
It's a guilt-free chocolate for you guys.
Yes.
Puno siya ng protein.
Yes, in the whole world. It's the only chocolate that comes with protein. So because there's no such thing as guilty pleasure, and we've been snacking on it in our trip. So you would see us snacking on Koa. Thank you, guys.
See you guys tomorrow. Pakilala namin sa inyo si Edu, ang owner ng Koa.
Yes, he's the founder of Koa. Bye.